What's up? How to hide message notifications on Instagram. So go back to your screen and go ahead to your settings, right? This is when you want to hide the message preview. So go ahead to the main settings and press notifications. Scroll a little bit down to find Instagram, press it. Scroll a little bit down to find show previews, press it. Then you can set it to never or when unlocked. Messages still come, but no one can peek. Option B, turn off notifications completely. So go back to your Instagram, right here, okay? Tap your profile, and the three bars at the top right, it will take you to the settings and privacy. You can find notifications if you are in the old version, or if you updated your Instagram, just hit messages and story replies, and you can go ahead to the message requests, and you can control who can send you messages, who can add you to group chats, the type of message requests. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and silent mode activated. So catch you in the next time.